Hello, beautiful! This time I will make a natural facial whitening with ingredients that are easy to get. Check this video. We prepare rice flour. We take 2 tablespoons and put it in a bowl. Like this, it's beautiful. Then we prepare rose water as much as 2 to 3 tablespoons. Like this is beautiful. After that, we mix all the ingredients until smooth. Like this is beautiful. We take 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil like this. Or you can also use almond oil, 1 tablespoon, pretty. After that, we take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, like this. Beautiful! We prepare 2 capsules of vitamin E like this. Beautiful! After that, we mix until blended, like this. Pretty! We prepare 2 containers of cream like this. 1 for day cream and 1 for night cream. Pretty! We divide the same amount of cream into each place. Like this. Beautiful! Especially for day cream. We add sunscreen or sunblock SPF 30 like this. Pretty! We enter sunscreen as much as a 1/4 teaspoon for sunscreen. You can use any brand. Like this. Pretty! Finish. To cream. So that it's easy to distinguish between the two. We label each day cream and night cream, like this. Pretty! Okay, the cream is ready. Isn't it easy to make? We can do it at home with natural and safe ingredients, and they are all around us. Pretty!